how to turn on screen time on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up screen times for various apps on your MacBook. Let's get started. So you'll need to head over to your settings and then you need to click on screen time. There you can see app limits, so you can tap on it and then you can tap on add limit, so you can choose the apps of your choice like social games. So you will need to tap on the apps that you want to set screen time for, and then you can choose the time according to your choice. So once you tap on the arrow, you can see various apps. So you can just tap on the app that you want to set screen time for, choose the time, and then hit done. So now, like this, you set the screen time for various apps on your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.